What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. Today we've got the Jordan 1 Low Neutral Greys on hand. These are without a doubt the best bricks of 2021. I am so happy these failed on the resale market. I hope things continue to break for these resellers, messing up our culture. Anyways, if you guys haven't got a pair of Jordan 1 Lows yet, I definitely recommend picking up a pair. These are such a clean and versatile silhouette. But yeah, let's get right into the styling, guys. 3 ways to style these Jordan 1 Low Neutral Greys. Then we'll check out the details and sizing advice at the unboxing at the end. Very much a New York vintage style look with this one. We've got my vintage Dior jumper, a Leon door cap, and Gucci vintage wash denim. This is actually a really easy look to replicate with your Jordan 1 Lows. You really just need a pair of baggy vintage washed denim and an oversized faded wash jumper, and you're good to go. Next up for look 2, we're going super cozy. We've got my corduroy overshirt from Zara, Essentials tank, Essentials grey sweats, and the Jordan 1 Lows in neutral grey. This shirt is one of the items I talked about in my top 5 Zara sale picks video. It went for like 60% off the last time I checked. Mega steal. I got the Essentials tank for 30% off on Essence as well. It was a tri-pack of 3 different colors for like $50 US. Such a great deal too. But yeah, again going for that super cozy look with the Jordan 1 Lows. Lastly for look 3, we're doing a complete 180 switch up. You can't go wrong with this suit and some Jordan 1s, be it high or lows. This suit is from Zara as well. One of my favorite suits as of late. That pastel green colorway bangs. Pairing that with a slim fitted Dior tee in white. That's that fresh summer springtime vibe. Again, finishing it off with the Jordan 1 Lows in neutral grey. Now getting into the unboxing and details real quick. Pretty much the same makeup as your neutral grey highs. We've got that white leather base that's tumbled. I'm gonna say semi-tumbled leather. A suede neutral grey swoosh. A grey outsole. That beautiful Air Jordan Wings logo in suede. Grey Nike Air logo on a nylon tongue. And finally, sail white laces from our friends at Factory Knots. These are the 140 cm ones. Apparently these have a thinner swoosh as compared to the 2015 release. I thought that might be a little bit weird, but honestly looking at them in real life, I feel like the thinner swoosh kind of works and gives these a more modern aesthetic in my opinion, but that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Anyways, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video on styling the Jordan 1 Low Neutral Greys. Let me know which look was your favorite. I'm not sure why Jordan 1 Lows don't get that much love from the community, but I absolutely love them. They're crazy versatile, ridiculously clean, and they're just such an easy, convenient option to slip on your feet too. I'm not mad at it though. I'm glad these resellers are making no money off them. It saves more pairs for the rest of us who really want them and who are actually gonna put them on feet. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. I'm also on TikTok now, so don't forget to check that out too. And yeah, much love, guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.